Modifying shapes. In this lesson, we will learn how we can transform a circle or a rectangle into a required shape. By using the special editing tools, we can modify a shape into a desired shape. To modify a shape, pick the Direct Selection tool from the toolbox and click on the outer part of the shape. Now we will be able to see the anchor points of the shape. Then by moving or resizing the anchor points, we can modify the basic shape to a required shape. For example, we can modify an oval shape into either an egg shape or a mango shape. If we would like to add some more anchor points to our basic shape for more convenience, we can add anchor points wherever we want on the shape. To add anchor points, select the Add Anchor Point tool from the toolbox and click on the path wherever you would like to add the anchor points.